guys, what's up? It's Alyssa, and today I'm going to be doing a daily vlog. So right now it's 10:21 a.m. and I'm about to eat my leftover Mongolian food from dinner last night. And then I'm just waiting for Dayton to wake up, and then he's going to come over and we're going to hang out. We might go to the beach or something like that, maybe go paddleboarding. But yes, I will see you soon. Okay, so Dayton came over and we made breakfast, and now we are walking to the beach. Right, Day?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, we made it to the beach. We are all sun lotioned up. Dayton is playing kendama. I just took a Polaroid of him. So I'm gonna wait for it to develop, and then I'll show you guys how it turned out. Here's how the picture turned out. It's so cute. Is that cute? You like it?
Looks good.
You like it?
Yes.
Tell us your thoughts on the beach so far. Look at the camera.
Lovely. I wish it was warmer though. The UV index is 7 though. It'd be nice if it was like 80. 80 would be lovely. We could go jump in the lake, but
The lake has high bacteria levels. Okay guys, it's 1:45. We're walking home from the beach now, and we're gonna go drive to Jimmy John's. We could walk, but Dayton forgot his wallet. Also, he has to leave for work pretty soon, so we're just gonna drive, go get some subs, and then Dayton will go to work, and I will probably do a couple errands and then go to work because I have work 1 hour after Dayton does.
oh, it's fine.
We're gonna do a taste test. Okay, so I just got home from Jimmy John's, and I'm about to relax for a little bit before I have to run some errands before work. But I'm gonna watch some Dance Moms. The show is so like bad, but it's so funny, so that's where I'm at with that right now. But yeah, so I'm just gonna chill out for a little bit, and then I'll go and run some errands before work. Okay, I got home from work, and then Hunty and I decided to go get some ice cream, and we wanted to go to Dairy Queen, but we pulled up and the lady was like, "We're closed." So we're like, okay. So we went to Dunkin' Donuts. Hunty, what did you get? Cookies and cream. That's what he gets every time. I got caramel macchiato in a dish. Who knew caramel macchiato was an ice cream nowadays? We're very excited about it. Now we're gonna go inside, probably browse the interwebs for a while, and then go to sleep. Hunty boy goes to camp tomorrow, so we're gonna miss him lots. Okay, bye. Okay, but yeah, so we're just gonna go inside, and I'm probably gonna go to bed. Okay, so it is now the next day. It is Thursday, and and
Dayton's burnt.
Dayton's burnt from yesterday, but we just went and dropped off Hunter, my brother, to Young Life Camp. Yeah, but we're all gonna go to the beach pretty soon.
I'm gonna go to the beach right
Beach
now
day,
and bring
day
my
2.
Buddha.
So yes.
Bye bye.
Dayton. Say Jimmy John's for lunch, day 2. I got a pickle. Then I got the same sandwich as yesterday, but I added onion onto it. And of course, chips again. We're going for a walk on the beach. We're walking to the pier. Ouch. Zane, here's Zane's shorts that I got him for his bird. How do you feel, Zane? Oh, here's Zane's burnt back. Okay, we are home from the beach, and now we're gonna go to the bank because I have some stuff to do from my grad party, but after that we're just gonna kind of hang out the rest of the day, and then I have babysitting tonight, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, you can give it a big thumbs up, and if you want, you can subscribe for more videos in the future. I post every Monday and Thursday. Mondays are more like sit-down videos, and Thursdays are vlogs. So yeah, we'll see you guys on Monday.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you.